everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the Mercedes GLE Brabus 900 2025. The Mercedes GLE Brabus 900 2025 is a high-performance SUV that takes luxury and power to the next level. Built on the foundation of the Mercedes-AMG GLE 63S 4MATIC Plus, this Brabus-tuned beast is designed for those who crave extreme performance, bold styling, and unmatched exclusivity. With a 4.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, the GLE Brabus 900 generates a staggering 900 horsepower and 1250 Nm of torque. The power is transmitted through a 9-speed automatic transmission, allowing this SUV to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.6 seconds. The top speed is electronically limited to 280 km/h, ensuring that this luxury SUV competes with high-end sports cars in terms of performance. Brabus has completely reworked the engine to extract maximum power. Upgraded turbochargers, a custom exhaust system, and high-performance forged pistons make the powertrain more aggressive and responsive. The deep growl from the Brabus stainless steel exhaust system with actively controlled valves adds to the driving experience. Alongside the power upgrade, the vehicle's aerodynamics and exterior design have been enhanced to match its extreme capabilities. A wide body kit, featuring carbon fiber elements, aggressive air intakes, and a redesigned front grille, gives the GLE Brabus 900 a bold road presence. The lightweight forged Brabus monoblock wheels, available in sizes up to 24 inches, contribute to improved handling and a striking appearance. The suspension has been tuned to provide a dynamic driving experience while maintaining comfort. Brabus has equipped the SUV with an adaptive air suspension system that lowers the ride height for better stability at high speeds. The braking system is also upgraded, ensuring powerful stopping performance to match the immense power output. Step inside, and the interior of the GLE Brabus 900 is just as impressive as its performance. Brabus offers a fully customizable cabin with high-quality leather, Alcantara, carbon fiber trims, and exclusive detailing. The seats provide exceptional comfort while offering strong lateral support during spirited driving. Illuminated Brabus logos, aluminum pedals, and bespoke stitching enhance the premium feel. The digital cockpit is packed with cutting-edge technology, featuring a fully digital instrument cluster, a massive infotainment display, and a premium Burmester sound system. The latest Mercedes-Benz MBUX system ensures seamless connectivity with intuitive controls and AI-powered voice commands. In terms of safety and driver assistance, the GLE Brabus 900 includes all the advanced systems found in the standard GLE 63S, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, a 360-degree camera, and active brake assist. These features enhance both safety and driving confidence, whether navigating city streets or pushing the SUV to its limits on the highway. The Brabus touch extends beyond just performance and aesthetics. The SUV is built for those who want exclusivity, as Brabus offers limited production numbers and a range of personalization options. Buyers can choose from unique color schemes, tailor-made interior trims, and additional performance enhancements to make their GLE Brabus 900 truly one of a kind. This SUV is not just about raw power but also about an elite driving experience. It blends sports car performance with the practicality of an SUV, making it an ultimate choice for those who want the best of both worlds. Whether you are driving through urban streets or open highways, the GLE Brabus 900 guarantees an exhilarating ride with unmatched road presence. For more exciting automotive content, don't forget to subscribe to Gear Run. Stay updated with the latest supercars, modified beasts, and exclusive vehicle reviews. Subscribe now and join the journey into the world of high-performance machines.